Hello friends, first of all see the funny moment of the cat and laugh a lot. I laughed a lot after seeing this.
It's gonna be hot.
Friends, look at this dog. I don't know why he is getting angry at the cute kid. This little cat deserves a round of applause. Look how it is trying to save its little owner. Oh doggy, your face is funny. That kitten, stop it now. Why do you bother the mice so much? Friends, the partnership between this kitten and cat is quite amazing. Hey cat, are you sad today? Why are you throwing away the stuff like this? Friends, if you also want a fun way to cut a cat's long nails, then watch. What is this? A Spider-Man is trying to scare the cat, but the cat is scared. Oh cat, what did you catch? And why are you cleaning your face in front of the camera? Friends, does your cat also learn boxing? Look, my cat is doing boxing. Paraphernalia. Friends, what is this? They are driving over a cat and I am seeing this for the first time. Friends, have you seen the fight between the mongoose and the cat? If you not, then see it. Hey cat, what are you doing in this closed room? The cat does not seem to be enjoying it. Friends, now look at these black cats. Their way of drinking water is interesting. Friends, get ready to see the funny moments of the dog. No. Yes, I am ready. Friends, now these are going to be a lot of entertainment because you two will laugh after seeing these cats miss you.
Potatoes! No!
Who hide the cat like this? Now it's the time to see the funny moments of the dogs and such action of the dog which will make us laugh a lot.
Get it off my door!
Murphy. Murphy. Oh my god. Get her out. Oh no.
Who done this?
Friends, look at this dog. I don't know for how many days he has been hungry. Does anyone eat by dropping food like this? Friends, look at these animals. They are not animals but morning alarms. They are trying to wake up their owner at the right time.
Oreo, this
Wow,
is
the
wild.
cat must be feeling really good.
Oh my god, he's drooling.